Hello everybody. Well, in the unboxing video of this unit, my microphone decided to unpair itself and from the receiver. So I was showing how a known working unit powers up and the you can see the ultraviolet in the indicators and how this one does not. I will show you they're both plugged in. Okay, right here. This one here. This one here will get plugged in right there. Okay, it's plugged in right here. This one here is plugged in right there. Okay, so a known working one, when you turn the timer, the lamp comes on. That's a known working one. This one here, when you turn the timer, you hear the timer ticking, but nothing on the lamps. You can see this one here has corrosion. It's got rust there. Same on this right there. Even these screws here have rust. These things operate at 5,000 volts. So inside here is a transformer, about 5,000 volts, 120 in. The lamp has a little bit of fog in it. That's telling me that lamp issue, but there is a safety switch in there. If it does have corrosion, which it does, that safety switch could be a problem. And I believe these also have a starter to start the lamp. So, and the starter could be bad too. I got my high voltage probe ready, and I'm trying to locate my neon lamp tester so that I can put it up against the lamp, see if the lamp lights. That would save a lot of problems. It's in a shelf or in a cabinet somewhere. I have not used it in years. But let's just check the primary side of these two. Okay. I'll throw that one over there. So a known working one, set this up to ohms. A known working unit on the primary side. Let's turn the timer on. About 7 ohm. You can see that there. 6 ohm. And it's going to continue to fall. So let's say that's 6 ohm. Let's hook up to this unit. This does have some corrosion on the plug too. I noticed that when I unboxed it. But I think this was sitting in a moist environment. Okay, we are nothing right now. Let's turn the timer on. 5 ohm? Yeah, I'd say the primary should be okay. So I'm gonna hunt my, before I start investigating further with a big old probe. And this looks like some, S&M toy. I've got another one too. Hopefully the mic don't disconnect again. Got an even bigger one. Look at this. Look at that probe. These look like some sort of freaky, this is a Sencor 50,000 volt. 100 to 1. And I think this, I forgot what this one was. This is an HV 231-10. It's basically, you'll check the lamp, and so I don't send myself to the ER. Oh, we have glasses. This will block 190 to 450 nanometer, and this puts out 254 nanometer. So yes, when I do testing on this one, I will be wearing eye protection this time. But I contacted the seller, and if it is the lamp, it is junk, and said to go ahead and open a return. If it's the transformer, I'll probably keep it if the lamp tests fine. I'm not 100% sure, but I really, you know, if it's the lamp, we can chalk that up to shipping. If it's the transformer or starter, we're going to chalk that up to a seller that did not test this before selling it. Because it was listed as used, not for parts and repair. So, and I paid what the average working units sell for. Actually, I paid a little bit more. I use this one as an example. I paid less for this one working than I paid for this one not working now. So this should have been working, but this is a later model than this one. Yeah, man, that's, that would have been a good price, a fair price for what I paid for this if it worked. But we will see. If it's the lamp, it goes back. If it's the transformer or the starter, if it's a starter and it's not potted, I think I got starters. Or, starters simple. You can still get those, I believe, at the hardware store. Just basically the ultraviolet grid lamp, and there's a neon bulb. It's just got mercury in it and another gas to create 254 nanometers. Generally, when these crack, they're 100% visible. But with the fog, I don't know if you can see it on video. I mean, yeah, even that screw that goes, this trips the safety switch right there. It's got a little lever in there. And yeah, with the fog in the lamp, that's got me concerned. I don't know if you can see it on the video. I'll try to get it at the right angle. Let me get a flashlight. Got the flashlight. I don't know if you can see the fog in the glass. See if I can zoom in there. You can see it almost at the edge there. It's right in this neighborhood. I don't know if you can see the fog in the glass. I got fingerprints on my screen right now. But you see that white? That's fog. There you go. It's hard to see. It's in a dark area. Let me see if I can shine some light on it. It's probably going to there you go. You can see the fog in the grid lamp. Those are like 5mm diameter grid. But that fog should not be in a working lamp, I don't think. But usually when these crack, they shatter. So it's It looks like it might have a crack in there. I can't get the light and get a good picture of it when it's in its container. These lamps are prohibitively expensive if they have to be replaced. They're almost $1,000 for a lamp or more. I think I've been quoted $1,200–1,300 for a lamp, and it's just it's prohibitive. Pretty bummed. This would have been a nice addition to the shop. Anytime there's capacity for erasers, I'm generally gonna attempt to buy one. But I will leave this video here, and as I investigate, I will create more videos. So hopefully we can get this working. And if not, it's gonna have to go back, because I'm not buying scrap. Not when it's advertised as used working. We'll catch you later.